This is how you can use the Google Meet to have a meeting. You just come to new meeting and you can actually start now. Start now, and you can also send invites. Send invites. They will receive an email and they will accept, then they will be able to join. All this can help with green ICTs, and it can reduce on the carbon footprint. That could be, moving from one place to another using cars. So basically this is how it would look like. You can do presentations as well when you click that, and you can pick a screen. If you have a presentation that you want to make, you can also chat. You can chat as well. Sorry about that. You can chat and you can add as many people. As you can see, Esther Diana has joined the meeting. Hello, Esther. Hello, Esther. I can't hear you.
Hi, Esther.
Hi. So this is how Google Meet looks like. Can you please turn on your video, just in case if you have? So this is how it looks like. There are about 3 people. So this can act as an alternative for Zoom, for those who do not have Zoom licenses and you don't want to move from one office to another, printing paper. You can do presentations here. There's no need to print at all. I can share my entire screen, as you can see. All I need to do is select it. Then I'll be able to share the entire screen. That is how it would look like. Can hide that. Esther, are you able to see anything? You can see my screen. So just want to show. Are you able to see this PDF?
Yeah, sure.
Greening through IT. You able to see it?
Yeah, sure, I'm seeing it.
So this means we can use this as a presentation. You can read if there is anything you want to show someone. That is how it would look like. And this can help with reducing the carbon footprint in our country and within Makerere University. Thank you for showing up, Gilbert. You are now finally able to join. Thank you. This is how it looks like. So we can make use of this great tool to reduce the carbon footprint. Thank you. You can end the meeting. This was just an example. Thank you. Have a good day. All right.